Welcome to Daily Insights. Today we're diving into the future, exploring 10 groundbreaking inventions poised to reshape our world in 2024. We're talking real-life Jetson stuff, people. From computers so powerful they seem like something out of Star Trek, to the kind of medical breakthroughs we once only dreamed of. Get ready to have your mind blown. We're going to break down each invention, how it works, and the impact it's going to have on our lives. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's kick things off with the big one, quantum computers. If normal computers are like skateboards, quantum computers are like spaceships, solving problems in minutes that would take classical computers thousands of years. Think drug discovery, material science, and advanced AI algorithms. 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for this technology. Companies like Google and IBM are making huge strides. Quantum computing could revolutionize industries from finance to AI, so buckle up because the quantum revolution is just beginning. Remember that childhood dream of flying cars? It's not a dream anymore. Electric flying cars, or eVTOLs, are becoming a reality. 2024 is a major year for this transportation. Imagine taking off vertically from your driveway. They combine the convenience of a helicopter with eco-friendliness. No more road rage, just smooth sailing. Companies like Joby Aviation, Lilium, and Hyundai are investing. eVTOLs could revolutionize transportation. 2024 could be the year they take off. Let's face it, healthcare can be a bit of a one-size-fits-all system. But what if we could tailor treatments to each individual patient? That's the promise of personalized medicine, and it's about to get real personal in 2024. We're talking about using your unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors to create a healthcare plan that's as unique as you are. Imagine doctors being able to predict your risk of developing certain diseases, prescribe medications that are most effective for your body, and even develop personalized cancer treatments that target tumor cells with pinpoint accuracy. This revolution is being fueled by advancements in AI, genetic testing, and big data analysis. Personalized medicine is about empowering patients to take control of their health. Imagine having access to your own health data, understanding your risk factors, and working with your doctor to make informed decisions about your well-being. We're talking about longer, healthier lives, more effective treatments, and a healthcare system that's more proactive than reactive. And 2024 could be the year we start to see these benefits become a reality for millions of people. Space, the final frontier. Thanks to reusable rockets, that frontier is becoming more accessible than ever before. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making incredible progress. They're developing rockets that can launch payloads into orbit and then return to Earth for a soft landing, ready to fly again. This reusability dramatically reduces the cost of spaceflight, making it more feasible for a wider range of missions. Imagine a future where we're launching satellites at a fraction of the current cost and maybe even mining asteroids for resources. Reusable rockets are the key to unlocking these possibilities. Space travel is no longer a distant dream. It's becoming a reality, and reusable rockets are leading the charge. Let's talk about smart cities. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, energy is optimized, and citizens are more connected. This vision is becoming a reality worldwide. Technology addresses urban challenges like traffic, pollution, and resource management. Sensors monitor traffic and adjust signals in real time. Smart grids optimize energy distribution. Sensors monitor air quality and water usage. Smart cities improve residents' quality of life. Use your smartphone for parking, public transport, and city services, creating livable, sustainable, and efficient urban environments. 2024 could bring significant advancements in smart city technology. Let's talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction but is rapidly becoming a reality: 3D printed organs. Imagine a world where organ transplant waiting lists are a thing of the past. That's the promise of 3D bioprinting, using bioinks made from living cells to create functional organs. The implications are staggering. Personalized organs that are a perfect match, eliminating rejection. Printing organs on demand, no more waiting years for a transplant. testing new drugs on printed organs, reducing animal testing. Researchers have printed functional mini organs and are progressing towards full-size organs, saving lives, extending lifespans, and revolutionizing medicine. Let's talk about something that's going to change the way we shop, eat, and live: autonomous delivery drones. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone in minutes. Or imagine receiving a package from Amazon just hours after clicking Buy Now. That's the future of delivery, and it's coming sooner than you think. We're talking about sophisticated, autonomous aircraft that can navigate complex urban environments, avoid obstacles, and deliver payloads with precision. Companies like Amazon, Google, and UPS are investing heavily in drone delivery technology, and they're making incredible progress. Drone delivery has the potential to revolutionize logistics, reduce traffic congestion, and even provide access to essential goods and services in remote areas. Imagine using drones to deliver medical supplies to disaster zones, transport organs for transplantation, or even provide internet access to underserved communities. We're talking about faster deliveries, lower costs, and a more efficient and sustainable logistics system. And 2024 could be the year drone delivery really takes off, transforming the way we live, work, and play. All right, let's talk about something that's small but mighty: batteries. More specifically, graphene batteries. These bad boys are about to revolutionize the way we power our devices, our vehicles, and maybe even our homes. Get ready to say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to a world of ultra-fast charging and long-lasting power. Graphene is a wonder material. It's incredibly thin, lightweight, and strong, but most importantly, it's an excellent conductor of electricity. This makes it ideal for use in batteries, where it can store more energy, charge faster, and last longer than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Imagine a world where your smartphone can last for days on a single charge, where electric cars can drive for hundreds of miles without needing to stop, and where renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are more viable than ever before. Graphene batteries are starting to appear in some consumer products. 2024 could be the year graphene batteries start to go mainstream. We're talking about a potential game changer for everything from smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles and renewable energy. Let's dive into the world of virtual reality, but not for gaming this time. We're talking about virtual reality workspaces, the future of remote work. Imagine collaborating with colleagues from around the world in a shared virtual environment, attending meetings, brainstorming ideas, and even socializing, all without leaving your home office. That's the promise of VR workspaces, and it's becoming more realistic every day. We're talking about lightweight, high-resolution headsets that offer immersive, realistic experiences. Imagine being able to walk around a virtual office, interact with virtual whiteboards, and even shake hands with colleagues, all from the comfort of your own home. VR workspaces offer a whole new level of collaboration and communication. Imagine being able to share three-dimensional models, prototypes, and designs with colleagues in real time, or being able to walk through a virtual mock-up of a new product together. We're talking about increased productivity, enhanced collaboration, and a more sustainable and flexible way of working. And 2024 could be the year VR workspaces really take off, transforming the way we work and connect with colleagues around the world. Let's wrap things up with a technology that could help us combat climate change and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels: hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cell technology has come a long way, and it's poised to play a major role in a cleaner, more sustainable future. They convert hydrogen gas into electricity through an electrochemical process, with water vapor as the only byproduct. That's right, no harmful emissions, just clean energy. Imagine a world where cars, buses, and trucks run on hydrogen, emitting nothing but water vapor. Imagine homes and buildings powered by hydrogen fuel cells, providing clean, reliable energy. Hydrogen fuel cells can also be used for portable power, backup power, and even in aerospace applications. We're talking about a versatile and scalable energy solution that could revolutionize multiple industries. We need to develop a robust hydrogen infrastructure, including production, storage, and distribution networks. But governments and companies around the world are investing heavily in hydrogen technology. 2024 could be a pivotal year for hydrogen fuel cell technology. So, Yeah, get ready for a future fueled by hydrogen because the future of energy is looking bright and clean. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing inventions that are about to change the game in 2024. From quantum computers that defy the limits of what we thought was possible to flying cars that will make us feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie, the future is looking incredibly exciting. But here's the thing, it's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we use it to shape a better future for everyone. These inventions have the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to healthcare to making our cities smarter and more sustainable. It's up to us to make sure we use them wisely. So, what do you think? Which of these inventions are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Insights for more amazing content. See you in the future.